Hello, Maisie. What a good hill for sledding. Look, Maisie, it's a penguin. Hello, penguin. Oops. Hey, how did he get down the hill before you did, Maisie? Oh, there are two penguins. Do you want to ride back up on Maisie's sled, penguins? There are three penguins now. Phew, is the sled heavy, Maisie? That's better. Oh, look! Another penguin! Hello, penguin! Maisie, do you want the penguins to ride down the hill with you? All aboard! Whee! What fun! Look, Maisie, even more penguins. Oops! The penguins don't need a sled. They can slide down the hill on their bottoms. Whee! 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 What fun! Are you going to slide on your bottom too, Maisie? Oh, now that was fun. Are you going to do it again, Maisie? Oh, look at that. Now the penguins are sliding down on their tummies. Can you slide down on your tummy, Maisie? Whee! Where are all the penguins going now, Maisie? Oh, they're going for a swim. Oh, you're not going swimming, are you, Maisie?
No.
Oh, it's much too cold for you to go swimming. You're not a penguin. Oh, Maisie, they're giving you lots of hugs to keep you warm. What a lot of new friends you've made today, Maisie. Goodbye, penguins. Goodbye, Maisie. Hello, Maisie. Are you playing in the playground today? Oh, look, there's Cyril. Hello, Cyril. Oh, bless you, Cyril. Oh, bless you again, Cyril. Oh, Cyril, you've got a runny nose. Have you got a tissue, Cyril? Do you have a tissue, Maisie? Thank you, Maisie. Have you got a cold, Cyril? Oh, there's Tallulah. Hello, Tallulah. Bless you again, Cyril.
Stop there.
Do you have any more tissues, Maisie? Oh. Ah, thank you, Tallulah. Oh, Cyril, I think you do have a cold. Maybe you should go home and rest. Come on, Maisie will take you home. Oh, thank you, Tallulah. A spare tissue. It's a good idea to have a little rest if you're not feeling well. Ah, look, Cyril. Maisie's made you a hot drink to make you feel better. Oh, poor Cyril. He's nearly asleep already. Night-night, Cyril. I hope you feel better soon. Oh, bless you, Maisie. I hope you aren't getting a cold, too. At least you have a spare tissue. Bye-bye, Maisie. Hello, Frog. Hello, Maisie. Oh, are you being a frog today, Maisie? Wow, look at Frog hop. Hello, Charlie. Look at Maisie hopping. Can you hop too, Charlie? Oh, look at Charlie. He can hop on one foot. And look at Maisie. She's hopping on one foot too. Careful, Charlie. You'll get dizzy. Maybe you should sit down for a minute. Hello again, Frog. Can you think of a hopping game we can play together? That's right. You can play hopscotch together. Oh, do you want to play too, Frog?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Off you go, Maisie. That's right, Frog. That's good, Maisie. Oh, and you too, Frog. Are you going to have another turn, Maisie? Can you hop too, Charlie? Oh, and you have to be careful not to step on a line. Whoops, you stepped on a line. Charlie's turn now? Good luck, Charlie. Whoa, careful. It's difficult, isn't it? Now, Maisie, don't step on the line. Hop, hop, hop. Charlie, you're supposed to wait until Maisie comes back. Oh, that's wonderful, Maisie and Charlie. Now, can you hop back as well? Careful. Nearly there. Hooray! You did it, Charlie. Goodbye, Charlie. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Frog. Hello, Tallulah. Have you come to play with Maisie today? Hello, Maisie. I wonder who that can be. It was Tallulah. Do you want to play tennis, Maisie? Now, where did you put your tennis racket, Maisie? Oh, that's not it. That's a skip rope. That's not it. That's an umbrella. There it is, Maisie. That's your tennis racket. Maisie's ready now, Tallulah. Whoops. You go first, Maisie. Off you go. Oh, that was a high ball, Maisie. That's better. Oh. Oh, good try, Maisie. Oh, who's that? Oh, it's Eddie. Eddie has come to play tennis, too. Now, Eddie can hit the high ones, and you can hit the low ones, Tallulah. Ready, everybody? That's yours, Tallulah. Here comes a high one, Eddie. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, hello, Charlie. Have you come to play tennis, too? Now you can hit the high ones, Charlie, and Maisie can hit the low ones. Low, high, high, low. Oh, nice one, Tallulah. Right down the middle. Thank you, Charlie. Tallulah and Eddie are winning. Come on, Maisie and Charlie. Whoops. Uh-oh. One more time, Charlie. Low. Low. High. Low. Low. High. Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your game of tennis.